Highly blessed everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing fresh pineapple infused oils, and I will show you how I made this beautiful pineapple ginger infused oils using fresh pineapples. First, you start off by peeling the pineapples, boiling the pineapples, then blending the pineapples, and then using the juice into your infused oils. So here I'm showing you how I actually warm the oil. I'm not showing you the oils that I've used, but you can use any oil of your choice. This is my personal blend, and I am using this to, extract the pineapple benefits from the fresh pineapple into the oils. So I'm gonna use the juice of the pineapple, because first I cooked the pineapple skins because I didn't want it to be too irritating, because pineapple is a flesh eating enzyme. It can do that to the skin, so I didn't want it to cause any irritation to the scalp. So I went ahead and I cooked the skins of my pineapple. I've seen videos on YouTube where you can actually use the whole pineapple and infuse your oils with that without cooking it. But when I was growing up as a child, we used to make pineapple juices, and we did the skins. So daddy used to boil the skins with ginger, and then that would be our pineapple juice, because he said the skins had more nutrition value than the pineapple itself. So we didn't discard anything, we used everything. So we ate the pineapples and used the skins. So basically I have chose to do it how I learned from my dad, just extracting the properties from the pineapple skin. And then I created this video to kind of change the whole recipe that I've seen on YouTube, because I didn't want to follow anybody on that. So I did this my way, because I wanted to make sure that I kept my heritage and I kept what I learned from my dad. So I cooked the pineapple skins, then I blend the pineapple in the same water, in the same juice, and then I add it to my oils, my selected oils. I think I've used around 6 or 9 different oils in the crock pot. Then I'll place the juice in, and I'll leave this to cook for around 8 hours, like on slow, just slowly infusing all, the nutrients and properties. So there you have it, guys. I showed you how I made my pineapple infused oils for the hair. If you do like this recipe, please just leave us a big thumbs up. And if you want to comment down in the box below, and I will try and answer your questions if you have any questions. But this is like a oil for hair. You can use it on your scalp, you can use it in locks, natural hair, etc. Thanks for watching. A little treat for you guys. This is how my hair looks after I've washed it. And I'm letting it dry in the sun. Yesterday I used my oils, and I had like a deep conditioning treatment for the whole entire day. So that was 24 hours of me using my oils and blends to get my hair looking so nice. Look, you can see my curls are come true. Look how shiny those are. Nice, isn't it? Ooh.